Well, joining us right now to talk more about the terror raids is former federal prosecutor Michael Wilds. Michael, the investigators always talk about follow the money trail and you will come up with something. That's exactly what they did here. What are they exactly looking for when they follow the money trail?
They're looking for a treasure trove of information from the cell phones, from the laptops, from all the forensic evidence. They're looking to see the associations that this individual may have had domestically and internationally. And unfortunately, again, Harry, they're looking to see exactly where things went wrong and where they could protect their methods and operations from for other investigations yet to go on.
Right. Well, some of the people today are saying, yes, we may have supplied money, but we didn't realize it was a plot. At least that's what we're gleaning from the early information that we're getting from the reports that we're getting tonight. Is that a feasible kind of statement that they're making?
In this economy, in this world, everybody knows where their money is coming from, and for the monies to be spent in a limited fashion is exactly what these insidious terror cells do. That is, that they are tasked to do one function, and from there they are then given instructions, in fact, if they are caught, what to say. So we can't really test the veracity or the truthfulness of the information that they're going to have because they have a limited role in these plots.
We're hearing more and more information that originally Faisal Shahzad was giving some not so great information, but apparently this did yield some pretty good information here that they could go through these raids today.
Once again, unfortunately, Harry, we had this gentleman actually get on an airplane, and earlier today somebody else was able to get on an airplane. So the fact that he was cooperating at a very early time and then cooperated even more is just a function of his own hide and trying to protect how many years he'll be sitting in jail.
What about his arraignment?
The arraignment will happen. He's raised his immigration matter, his Miranda warnings. The arraignment will happen in due course when he's ready to do this. Fundamentally here, as an immigration lawyer, I have to tell you that I'm very concerned as to the propriety of alien absconders and people who have overstayed being allowed to traverse with cash, go to hotels, and do everything that we're learning. Very important that we ferret this out, Harry.
Alien absconders, that's pretty strong language.
Those are people that had their day in court or now are still lost in the immigration system. There are people that overstay visas that never come into harm's way, and these individuals actually are people that have had their day in court, were ordered deported, but nonetheless are still on U.S. soil. That's not good for our country's security and underscores the need not only for immigration reform, but for these investigations to end immediately and for prosecutions to deter others from committing these acts.
Michael Wilds, former federal prosecutor, we thank you very much for joining us.